welcome back to the Waffler, and today we'll be playing some more teardown. Now, which mod should I go in? What is an angry snake? What? I don't know what that is, and I don't know how to. Why? Alright, so we're gonna be going this map. But no clue. Whoa! Wow. Have any of you ever heard of playground? Well, today
initializing systems online.
Okay. Oh, I know, liquefy child. Isn't that just fun? See, you depress them? And then the kid over here. Mom, what's happening? I don't know, Timmy. I don't know. Oh God, Timmy, run! And then this guy's just Scooterman. I'm right on Scooterman. Haha. You're bored. I don't even like him. Or this. Oh no. I've done it again. That is the last. That's on the last fail. Alright. And we're just gonna restart this so it's not that laggy. And then the next thing I'm probably gonna do is
Initializing systems online.
actually minus 20. I love the minus 20. This is very cool. I want to see where it ends up. Can I walk right here? He can't walk. Or I could just go on the map. That's one way of putting it. Okay, I'm actually telling you the truth. I didn't mean to. I was kind of like turning on the TV and I got kind of like that. And rainbow color. See this kid? Do you see him? Yo. That's a really cool magic trick. And there's just one just titled. Hey look, at least his arm went. And everyone else here seems so normal. Like they don't even recognize some of their friends on the shop. I'm gonna just enter into a video. I have to. I don't know why, but I do. Hit it all.
Initializing systems online.
Actually, this was a really good one. For a second. They just evaporated. Full on evaporation. No! Alright, Timmy. I'm not cruel to dogs, but I just want to see the dog.
Power to the UEB.
Okay, you know, I'm gonna be nice to my doggy. Doggy. Doggy? No. You're stuck. Run free while I kill some kids. Go play. I'm not. Oh, I'm gonna get the bone. Oh, he likes the bone. Forgot. They give the bone to you. And then he can start running around. I like the reason. Oh yeah, I forgot these balloons were good. I like this map a lot now. Wait, show me. Oh, my fingers are powerful.
Cut!
Let's bring the dog. Look at Timmy and his friends playing. Please don't tell me that you're not holding it out. You alright? You alright? Timmy, I have to do this. So sorry. You see this depressed person? You wanna jump on with him? What happened? I like the way he just fell on his face. Once on. Oh. His pants were loud left. Wait. I'm driving an invisible car. I feel like Wonder Woman. Oh. Oh. Come on, Timmy. Drive! Easy with this. Get something more greater than a Timmy on my boots. I know it's very dead. Oh, I'm flying. Thank you for watching. This has been The Exact Waffler.